and one of the runs where you don't have any qualifications to register, and that's the best part. And only thing is, the strategy what I followed is run as far as you can. After that, you need to walk. Okay. So I think some of who follow me Strava can make it out.
For me, border run was, I think, the only run where I concentrated on strength, and it helped out. I was having plans from KVB Garu, Kamla Gar Marku, and the plans were very nice. They never asked us to run a lot. The max I ran was 52 kilometers. That was it. Not even any.
చాలా ఫస్ట్ అయితే భయపడ్డాను కానీ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ కమలా అండ్ 100K ఫినిషర్ ఫస్ట్ టైం లైఫ్ అచీవ్మెంట్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ట్రైనింగ్ హార్డ్ యూ కెన్ రీచ్ గోల్ దట్ ఈస్ ఐ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
So it was like last year 2024 like my co-runners Satish Uva and Dr. Mahesh P. These guys registered for 100. At that time I registered for my first ultra Paderi. So then these guys were forcing me.
100K finisher and thank you. And me and Gopi एक दिन मुझे कॉल किया एंड बोला कि बॉर्डर रन करेगी क्या. मैं बोली कितना करना है. मैं तो 160 वाली उतना तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. आई विल ट्राई फॉर 100K. देखेंगे बट घर the best thing is because I'm in Hyderabad, so I did my 2 full marathon, NMDC and NEB, which helped me a lot, and it gave me a confidence that I will finish 50K. So this is the, and I took a plan from Shrikant, and 75 kilometers plus DNF.
It's a DNF is a DNF.
You are a warrior. वो बोलते हैं ना, you are not DNF, you are a warrior.
So I was registered for 100 milers and I gave a DNF on 75 because of some issues. But it was a very nice experience for me to go over there and learn new things, get inspired by everyone over here which are standing over here. And next year again I will go and get my medal.
That's the spirit.
He is the only 100K miler finisher in Hyderabad.
Hey.
He is the only one.
No, Kiran also comes.
Acha?
Yeah.
Two more are there. This year.
Okay, 2 people.
No.
No.
अभी यहाँ पे 2 people.
Ah.
I did the 100 miles. I just finished it. So as I think for till the 100K everybody said what all happened. So that, but the real challenge starts after 100. So I mean by the time you finish 120, the sun is out for the next day, and the last 41 kilometers are totally rolling hills. And it's just not any rolling hill. It's
surrounded here. I did 100 kilometer. This is my first 100K. And somewhere in end of December 2024, me and Sridhar had decided that next year we will go to border. So it's planning from the New Year itself. We started our plan, all our runnings and all our outstation events and Hyderabad events. Everything we planned towards border only. So this year completely our focus was border, and we completed, and say Satya, Kamla, Venkat, and we all
100 miler aspirant. 50K finisher. I was not very confident with this run because I was traveling constantly. But I think when in doubt, I went for strength training. So that I think helped. I didn't have any pain or anything. I was ready, just like Sridhar said. I was ready next day or next hour, right? So I mean, experience-wise, I think with all my friends, like that really helped with running with friends around, and who's my roommate. So we had fun. So that's.
To come and hear all of you. I know half of you, but a few of you I don't know. But today I came to know. But what all feedback or what all call-ups you gave, right? And what all you need for this border run. training standpoint of view, permission standpoint of view. I'll take it to our committee. We'll discuss internally. So at least something is getting started for the next year's event, and we'll see that from Jan only. I think if we start creating a group, right, I think we can connect all the people. So few things definitely we'll discuss and start coming up with some kind of support. That's what I can do.
Okay, say hi.
Hey.